to focus on the big picture rather than getting stuck on one part.
Give me an example.
For example, I guess
Yeah.
today.
Yeah, sure.
So I was working on simplifying algebraic expressions with ATON, and today I asked if there's a separate program for it, and there was. But I also learned not to, focus too much on this if he's like really confused, because in the end you want to solve the whole problem rather than just, work on this for who knows how long.
What about levels? What do you understand with levels?
Instead of just like focusing on one level, you should try and like do other levels. Maybe he finds other levels like level 4 more interesting for him, and he might just get it right away.
Okay.
And just being on like.
Okay, do you remember the example I said with the map? You want to do?
Yes. Okay.
Okay.
Dahlia said,
Yeah.
rather than learning, oh yeah, Italy is in the shape of a boot, and you only know, one country, you should see it as a whole, where Italy fits into the whole map, and just viewing everything as a whole.
But the same thing with autism.
Yeah, same thing with autism.
So they need to see the whole picture in order to understand where is Italy.
It's like why it's important.
Yes.
Yeah.
Like absolute value, maybe you did that in your head, but you didn't realize you were doing that in your head.
Yeah.
So if they're not getting something, it might be that you missed a step and you didn't even realize that you did it so quickly in your head. But if you don't explain each tiny little step, then they're gonna miss the point.
Right.
Okay, so
one thing's easier for you might not be easy for someone else.
But what did you discuss about memory? Remember? Memorization?
Oh, so we all memorize, at one point, but it's the fact
At every
that-
point.
At every point. So we just have to we memorize the basics, but then we apply it to other things. But in the end, we all memorize.
Beautiful set.
Let's do half, okay? Good? Better? No, can we just finish those ones? Let's just finish them.